This is our dog, Remy. Been meaning to do this for a while. This is our dog, Remy. It's actually a dog from a movie. You probably know what it is, but I forget which one it is. Is it Up? Anyhow, been meaning to make this for a while. Today's the day we're gonna do it. Wife is gonna be so mad. Let's see. Walk up the stairs here. You know, been in trouble a couple times for saying the words, my wife's bitch cave. I want to make a video of this real quick because this is the entrance. Right when you walk in, the first thing you see, there you go. So, people wonder what's in the cave.
What's that?
I'm making a video. Sorry. Turn the light on. Relax.
Yeah, but if you touch this one, it's going to stop.
I didn't touch that one, so you're good. There's all the... What are these things? The rolls?
They're vinyl rolls?
They're vinyl rolls. No, we got a couple of them. And we got some more over here. There is a jacket in here, in the closet. But then we're going to watch back out here.
Stop it.
I'm not stopping it. See, told you. And then here's her name. This is her little company. Right? Now, everything you see from here on out was made by Jen. Everything you see. Every single item that you are looking at is made by Jen. Just saw these, kind of like those little guys. Happy dudes there. All right. And over here, and this. We got these stoohickeys here. You didn't make that, did you?
No.
Okay, didn't make that. Didn't make the ring camera. Uh-huh. Oh, wait, we're not done. Here, we got some of this here. Now, a couple of these here. Welcome-ish. Depends on who you are. Little buzz off sign. Let's see what else we got. Oh, wait, hang on. There's some of the roll things for that thing that makes those things. There's a couple more little dudes right there. Yeah. Now we're dialed up in here.
Let's see what's on the laser.
We got, this is the Cricut, right?
Yeah.
We got the workstation here with all the crazy tools. And then we got all the parts and pieces. We got, what is this thing here? This is the heat press thing to make the t-shirts and the koozies. We got our custom vacuum air cleaner pumping out the air so we don't get cancer. Because this thing is making, what is this thing making? A welcome sign? Yeah, that's kind of cool, huh? Making a custom welcome sign. And there's all this stuff. With the yarn. Now this is the woman cave. This is the good sign. And then we got all this stuff that's made here. Looks like some Christmassy stuff here. There's our son Austin right there, waving hi. Yeah, oh, we made these things too. What are those? The things. Well, we made all this. Yeah, and then here we go, man. What color you want? Like legit. People think I'm saying it and I'm just goofing. That's her bitch cave. No, like legit. Look at this place, dude. Look at the inventory in this frickin' place, dude. The Amazon guy knows my wife by first name, by the way. They're besties. She loves it though. Makes her happy. Get some more views of this. You got the water spigot thing, the roses, the San Francisco thing back there, a bunch of other stuff back there. What did we make? Okay, cornhole scorers now. Made those. Yeah, right? Told you guys.